Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet star hexagon pattern. In this pattern I am using the 3 color of worsted weight yarn and one 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Hello friends, first I am making the center part of this star, so I am taking my favorite color yarn and make one slip knot and make 4 foundation chains and go to the 4th chain and make one slip stitch. This is a very small ring I have made, and then make 2 chain, count as a first half DC and make 11 more half DC into this circle. Eleven and 12. Tight it, and then here you join it with slip stitch. I have completed my center part of this star and cut the yarn, extra yarn. For next round I am taking my favorite color yarn and here I am attaching it in it with slip stitch, and then this is the first single crochet and make one single crochet in the same stitch, and then you go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet. You make 2 single crochet in the every stitch in this round. You repeat it in this round. Here I have joined it with slip stitch. For next round make 6 chains, and then you go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet, and then make one half double crochet in the next stitch, and then go to the next stitch with double crochet, make one double crochet the next stitch, one more double crochet in the next stitch, you make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and then you go to the last stitch and make one treble crochet. and then you skip the neck 1 2 3 4 chain. Here you join it with slip stitch, and then repeat the same pattern, 6 chains, 6 chains, 6 chains, and go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet. After that, make one half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one double crochet in the last stitch, and you skip the 1 2 3 4 stitches. In the first stitch you make one slip stitch, and you repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. I have completed my star pattern. Then I am taking my next color, third color yarn, and go to the top part of the star, and here you join it with slip stitch, and then go to the next stitch with single crochet, and then make one half double crochet the next stitch, two double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you go to the next stitch with treble crochet, one more treble crochet, the next, here you make 2 treble crochet together, go to the next stitch of the next star, here you make together 2 treble crochet in together, and go to the next stitch and make one more treble crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one half double crochet in the next stitches, one single crochet in the next stitches, and this is the top part of the star. Here you make one slip stitch, and then go to the next side and make one single crochet, one half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, here you make 2 treble crochet together, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and go to the top, and here you make only 1 slip stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. I have completed my star hexagon. If you want to make the joining it, then you take the same color yarn and you take another hexagon, star hexagon, and go to the top part of the star here, join it with slip stitch and insert your hook, and make 1 single crochet. And then you join the another hexagon, and you make the same stitch, single crochet, and you can make a big size blanket or afghan in this way. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.